All right, welcome back to the pre-NFP trade setup video. We would like to run you through a quick discussion for the euro, gold, and silver. Uh, it's actually pre-scripted and actually not dependent upon the numbers that are coming out. We were talking about euro a few hours back, which might be facing resistance, and it has done. It started to move lower. Let's do a quick wave analysis. That's the boundary it has created. It's a potential impulse rally, and if you take the retracements, there are two setups coming up for the euro, but we'll give weightage to both of them. After printing lows at 925, a quick impulsive rally. You can see wave 1, wave 2, and then an extended wave 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and wave 4 after that, 3 waves, expanded flat, and the fifth wave. Could be an impulse. I'm putting a question mark here. If it is an impulse, it's going to dip lower, 3 waves down, and then continue moving forward. So first of all, step 1, let's expect wave 2 somewhere here. It can happen just during the NFP or after that, we don't know, but we are expecting prices to drop lower towards 1.0987. Find some support there. If you see a bounce, if we see a bounce over here, then it's quite clear that we've got our second wave termination right there. ABC. All right, we've got wave 1, impulsive 5 waves rally, and an ABC. I'm not writing or labeling it right now. It's just about a 3 waves corrective drop. Expect support around that zone, 1.0987. All right, as a 61.8% mark as well, past resistance becoming support as well. So watch out for 1.098087 support. Another technique to find out an extension, the extension of wave A, and let's see if there's a convergence coming in. Not really. The convergences are coming in at 1.0960, 20 points lower than what we were expecting. So there might be a spike lower as well. Let's increase our range for support, 1.0960 to 1.0980 then. That is your range of support. The entire 61.8 to 78.6% retracement support between 0980 and 0960. You see, that's an excellent convergence, I would say, pip to pip convergence. Powerful bounces are seen around these range. All right, so bigger picture, if you see a bounce here, bullish bounce around 0960, then wave 3 should be heading north, obviously, towards the next resistance, which is in line easily above 1.1160. All right, a failure to bounce back above 1.0960 and a continuous dip below that would mean that the overall bearish trend still remains, and we would relook the matter. Right now, the first alternate looks like wave 1 in picture, already in place. Wave 2 under construction, watch out for support around 960, 980, and the extensions, the minimum targets for the third wave, the 161.8%, 1183, which will take out the first resistance, and even further 5 waves should be around 1.1942. That means Euro USD should be clinching out of the bearish setup that it has been running all the way through. All right. We will be discussing the daily chart sometime later. It is already potentially completed at ending diagonal, could be at 0925. So watch out for support coming in at 987 and 960. A quick wrap for gold and silver we have already discussed in the last videos. You can see here new lows have formed just around the 1500 mark. Now, one thing kind of confirms we've got wave 1, wave 2. We can count 5 now for the third wave. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So at least wave 3 is done. You can see here wave 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So termination of wave 3 is complete, or should be complete, at 1502 levels. That's more clear now. If at all wave 4, it should form again the same vicinity of 1518, and then wave 5 bringing prices down lower towards the 1500 mark. All right. And if it is an ABC, it could be a 335 as well, or it could be a 535 zigzag that can take shape as prices move lower towards 1400 mark. Watch out for resistance around 1518, probable wave 4, or one of the most high probable price action to go short would be somewhere around the 1535 region. All right, so we're expecting a dip lower first around the 1500 mark, taking that support out. All right, and then a pullback. Now in that case, the 1536 would come a bit lower, maybe 1530 or 1525. So on track for gold, looking to take out 1500 handle before a meaningful rally. The good thing about gold is that we are done. We are almost ready with the first impulse lower, and that could mean something for bears. Should be very happy to sell on rallies after that. All right, and silver, no change in silver. Again, we 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. It's almost done, and we are talking about 1800 handle to be taken out in the last video update sent out this morning during the European session that has happened. So who knows, we are ready with the first leg in silver, just ahead of the yellow metal. All right, the chances are that a pullback should be in place very soon, so be prepared for a pullback rally in silver as well. So that's the setup for or pre-setup for the NFP. It's just a number game actually. The charts are telling us a clear story about all the 3 charts. All right, so I'll be coming up with few more updates. I need to prepare the file and send across before the news are coming in, so that you can use it Thanks again for joining. If you are doing it for the first time, you might want to subscribe to the YouTube, staying abreast with all the updates coming up. And good luck to your trades, brothers, and I'll be back soon. Take care.